We're excited to announce the release of our drop-in fuel filtration system for the 2017 through 2023 L5P Duramax. Now this system can be installed in less than an hour and does not require any tunes, as it's not going to cause a check engine light. While there are other drop-in filtration systems out there on the market, ours is the only one to properly utilize the factory water and fuel sensor. And after the fuel passes through the factory filter element, it's going to be going through our extreme water separator, which removes over 99% of the water that can be found in diesel fuel and filters particulates down to 2 microns, absolute. On top of that, we're going to be adding in air separation. It's going to easily just tie in right with the engine return in front of the fuel tank. Now for more information or to get yours ordered today, be sure to check them out at fastride.com.